So as you have seen the title says future time presentation, right? If you remember when we were doing tense, time and tense, in that I have taught you future time presentation. For future time presentation, we form will plus verb or going to. Do you recall? Future time presentation. Will plus verb or going to
voice is
verb.
breaking.
Is it fine now? Aditya Gerola?
Ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All right. So the same thing we are just going to revise today. If you see, you can see my screen. Read the passages below. Aditya, please read.
Ma'am, we will go to a hill station in the summer holidays. We will stay there in a hotel. I will trek through the forest and hills. Second point, we are driving to a hill station in the summer holidays. We are staying there in a hotel. I am trekking through the forest and the hills. Third point, we are going to travel to a hill station in the summer holidays. We are going to stay there in a hotel. I am going to trek through the forest and the hills. I'm done.
Now, if you have seen, yes, I know, Bacha, thank you. If you have seen the explanation I just gave you, we will, future is formed by we will or we are going to, if you say third one. In the first one, future tense, future time is framed by will plus verb, like we will go, we will stay, I will track. In second, it is used the form of is and are, be form. Is and are with the verb ing. That is present continuous. We have done present continuous, right? In that says now we can talk about future. That is fixed. So this is I am, we are driving, we are staying. And third one is you're going to. We are going to stay. So your auxiliary verb going to and plus the main verb. Any doubt in these formations, anyone? You can see the formations below. Passage 1, passage 2 and passage 3, that is what I'm talking about. Will plus verb, be form plus verb plus ing, that is mr or with ing form of the verb, and then be plus going to plus verb, that is are going to travel. Any doubt, you can raise your hands or write your name in the chat box. This is very simple, we have already done this. This is just a recapitulation. Any doubt, you can ask me now. Pratham.
Ma'am, I don't
Yes,
listen
Pratham.
because of the problem.
So, Bachcha, that is your issue. Now, I will not repeat everything. Other will say, ma'am, network problem. Then other will say, ma'am, network problem. You have to start the class with the correct net.
No, ma'am, there is no problem.
And Bachcha, my net is working very fine. Everyone can hear me. Please do not argue with the net with me. All right, let's move forward. Let's do the practice. In this first form of future is given to you, that is I will. Fine. What you have to do, you have to frame sentences using be plus verb plus ing and be plus going to plus verb. Who will frame it? Gunjan. Sonu, keep yourself muted. Repeat, Gunjan.
Inviting my friends.
Very good. I am inviting my friends. Just a minute. And second form going to who? Frame this.
I am going to invite my friends.
Very good. I am going to invite my friends. Fine. Understood everyone how to do this? Let's do the B part. Ruchika,
Yes, ma'am.
frame बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am. My friends will be coming here.
My friends, no.
Will
See the formation, बच्चे. What is the formation?
my friends will come here? My friends will come here.
No. Okay. Vanch,
My friends are coming here.
excellent. My friends are coming here. Ruchika, बच्चे, the formation is B form. That is MR. My friends is plural, so we use are. My friends are ing form
Okay,
coming
ma'am.
here.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next is
Okay.
with going to. Tanishk,
My friends are going to come here.
excellent. My friends are going to come here. Very good. Now understood how to form? Let's try next. They will stay with us for a week. New hands. I want new hands, Ananya. Yes, Ananya.
They are going to stay for us with a week.
They are going. They are going to. Okay, you have done that one. I'm doing the first one. They are. Aditya.
Ma'am, they are staying with us for a week.
Very good. They are staying with us for a week. And Ananya has already told they are going to stay with us for a week. Okay. B part. Why only the same hands? Gunjan, Tanishk, Aditya, Vansh, Ananya. Others are sleeping. You will not get a chance like this. Yes, Diksha.
We will watch a movie, right? We will.
No, bache, will is already given. Very good.
We are going to watch
We are
a movie.
watching.
We are watching a movie tomorrow.
Very good. Now frame with going to.
Sorry, ma'am, for the mistake.
That's okay.
We are going to watch the movie tomorrow.
Very good. We are going to watch a movie tomorrow. See, when you try, only then you will know what mistakes you are doing and how to correct them. That's okay if you are doing a mistake. But let's learn from the mistakes, right? Who will try next? Prince?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the answer, bacha.
Ma'am, we are
Hmm.
going to the riverbank.
We are going to the river bank. Very good. And next one.
Uh, oh, we are going to riverbank tomorrow.
No, we are going to go. We are going to go to the river bank tomorrow. Fine. Going
Okay,
to
ma'am.
go.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubt, anyone in this? Now there are uses given. See, there are three forms we discussed: will plus verb, be plus verb plus ing, be plus going to plus verb. Will is used to talk about a future fact, a sudden decision, a offer, a promise, or a possibility in the future. Like my birthday will fall on Wednesday. This is a fact. Your birthday will fall on Wednesday. Okay. I will go to the school on Monday. This is my sudden decision that I'm going to the school. I will give you a gift if you want. This is an offer. Ma'am, I will score 20 on 20 in English. You all make this promise. And possibility, the rain will come. The rain showers will come tomorrow. It's a small possibility. Be plus verb plus ing or be plus going to. When we are using this ing forms, these are used when we are talking about definite things. Like in present continuous, and we discuss this when we are sure about that this is going to happen. Like you are going to submit your work after the class. You are going to submit your work after the class. This is a definite future plan. Fine. We are discussing the next question after 5 minutes. This is definite plan. Fine. Now, since there is no future tense form in the verb, we can use present tense forms and also the past tense forms to make the future time. Like we were going to cook next week, but that is cancelled now. And it will rain, we have already discussed. Now you have to write that what is it given. We are driving home tomorrow from the airport. This is a definite plan. We will take a taxi if it rains heavily. What is this? Gunjan? Why bache possibility? Isn't it an offer? What does the offer says here? I will give you a gift if you want one. So this is an offer that if it rains heavily, we will take a taxi. This is not possibility. The doctor will meet you in an hour. What is this? Plan. Very good. Vanch. A definite plan. Lalit will be an astronaut. Lalit will be an astronaut. What is this? Gunjan? This is a possibility. This is not a fact, Vanch. It can be true, it can be false. You're not very sure. Rahat. So, Hana, I'm going to repair your laptop. I am going to. No, this is not a fact. This is a promise. You're saying it as a promise that you will repair the laptop. Shiva, when are you leaving Rome? When are you leaving Rome? What is this? When are you leaving Rome? A future plan, yes. A plan. The movie will release tomorrow. Who is this? If I'm not disturbing, I'm not saying anything between you continuously, Aditya Rana. The movie will release tomorrow. This is a fact, a future fact. And last one, Olympics will be held in our country next year. Again, a fact. Very good. Any doubt in this? Anyone? Okay, next question. You have to do it yourself. These are some possible questions given to you, and you have to tell your plans. Like, what are, okay, who are you planning to meet next week? If I say, I can say I am planning to meet my mother next week, or I am planning to meet my friends next week. Like this, you have to frame the few full sentences. Do it right now. Vanch, where will you go next Sunday?
Ma'am, I am
Hmm?
going to my aunt's house next Sunday.
Very good. Next Sunday, I'm going to my aunt's house. Aditya, which TV program are you going to watch tomorrow evening?
Ma'am, I am watch Shinchan tomorrow evening.
I am going to watch.
Watch, yes,
Fine?
ma'am. I am going to
Yes.
watch Shinchan next
Okay.
evening, tomorrow evening.
Gunjan, who will come to visit you this week?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will come to visit you this week?
My grandmother and my grandfather are coming to visit my house this week.
Excellent. My grandparents are coming to visit me this week or my house. Very good. Tanishk, what are you going to play on the weekend? Weekend means Saturday, Sundays.
Ma'am, I'm going to play tennis next
Very
week
good.
on the
Weekend. I'm
weekend.
going to play tennis on the weekend. Very good. All right. Pratham, who are you playing football with on the weekend? Aditya Garola, very nice answer. Hmm. Pratham, Pratham is not present in the class. He has left, I guess. Okay. Uh, very interesting answers I am getting. Ruchika,
Yes, ma'am.
answer बच्चे.
I will be play football with my brother
I
on the
will.
weekend.
I'm playing football with my brother on the weekend. Please just change the don't change the ing form. Make the sentence or I will play is also correct. Any doubt in this chapter? We are done. Such a simple chapter it was. With your father, that's okay. That's up to you that what you want. Any doubts? Now you can ask me the doubts. Raise your hand or write your name. Please complete the work. After the class, I'm going to open the group for you to submit. If you have doubts, please ask. Anyone, any doubt? But it's very easy, I know. But still, if you have a doubt, you can ask me. Okay, show the compliance. I can show you the compliance. If you have sent me some work today, I have not marked that yet, but others I have marked. You can see the compliance. Just a minute. Yeah, here you go, the compliance.
Ma'am, I sent it you the yes one.
And again, Prachi, you are disturbing the class in between. Are you allowed to speak like this? How many times do I have to tell you? If you have sent me some work I have not marked, send me again. What is the issue? You can send me the works. Just a minute. Okay, yes, Ruchika Bache. What I have
Ma'am,
not
have
marked
you
for
done
you.
chapter?
Yes.
Ma'am, have you done chapter 5 of GK? Because I think I
No,
was absent on that day.
done chapter 5
Okay.
yet.
Ma'am, today we have to send this chapter.
Yes, chapter 17 after the class in the
Ma'am,
group
after
itself.
class? Okay. Ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything else, anyone? In case you have done something I have not marked, please send me again. Fine? Okay. Let's meet on Tuesday now. Oh no, Thursdays. We'll meet again on Thursday. All right, everyone. Bye, everyone. Have a nice
Bye,
day.
ma'am.
Take good care of yourself.
Ma'am, have a
Bye,
nice day.
ma'am.